Chapter 17 svabhavikam sadrushyam. Nearly 2600 years ago, Acharya Panini had composed a book of grammar of Sanskrit language, namely Ashtadhyayi, written in aphoristic style, that is Sutra Shaili. The book has covered the whole grammar of Sanskrit language in approximately 4000 aphorisms, that is sutras, in short sentences. As it is believed, in almost 100 or 150 years after Acharya Panini, Acharya Kartikeya has written Vartik, that is explicit explanations, on these aphorisms, that is sutras. In these Vartikas, deliberations have been done on these aphorisms. After another 100 or 150 years on the base of those aphorisms and Vartikas, Patanjali has composed a Bhashya Granth, that is a book of explanation, named Mahabhashya. The subject matter of the present lesson has been chosen from this Mahabhashya. Famous by the name of Mahabhashya, this book of Acharya Patanjali is seemingly a book of grammar. Even then, during its certain incidents, various principles of social, political, and economical, as well as those of physical science like astrology and geography, have also been referred. These references indicate the extensiveness of the knowledge and science of that age. In this present lesson, the discussion over Panini's aphorism, that is Sutra, Sthanentaratamaha, that is 1.1.49, has shown how the suggestions have been made regarding the consent given to these principles in respect of the relation of the mutual behavior of human beings, gravitation, as well as that of the fire on the land incorporating with the sun. This method of subjects of various scriptures in the book discussing the grammar of language provides inspiration to become an expert in multiple scriptures. A student learning any one scripture should have the knowledge of the principles of various scriptures. Here this lesson is selected to provide inspiration for such skill.
संसारे विविधाः पदार्थाः सन्ति तद्यथा स्वर्णलोहादयो धातवः वटखडिरादयो वृक्षाः कघोटकादयः पशवः च एषु पुनः प्रत्येकमपि पदार्थाः भिन्नः भिन्नः भवन्ति तद्यथा स्वर्णलोहात् भिन्नं भवति अथ च प्रत्येकः सुवर्णखण्डः परस्परम् आकारेण प्रकारेण च भिन्नः भिन्नः भवति.
In this world, there are various types of things. For examples, metals such as gold, iron, etc., trees like banyan, khadir, etc., and beasts like cows, horses, etc. Among these, again, every object is different. For example, gold is different from iron, and every single piece of gold is different from the other in shape and kind, that is quality.
वस्तुतः अस्तित्वरूपेण सत्तारूपेण वा एते पदार्थाः परस्परं भिन्नाः सन्तीति प्रतीयन्ते परन्तु प्रत्यक्षतः परस्परं भिन्नेषु पदार्थेषु अपि कच्चिदेकं स्वाभाविकम् आन्तर्यमपि भवति ते पदार्थाः यया क्रियायां प्रयुक्ताः भवन्ति तदा अस्य प्रतीतिः भवति. अस्य सिद्धान्तस्य उपदेशः द्वाविंशतिशतवर्षेभ्यः पूर्वम् आचार्येण पतञ्जलिना स्वकीये व्याकरणमहाभाष्ये कृतः तत्र ते कथयन्ति.
In fact, it is experienced that these objects are different from one another in the form of existence or being. But actually, even in the objects that are different from one another, there is some sort of natural close relation also. When the respective objects of different types are used in some action, ascertainment of the similarity take place. The mention of this principle is made before 2200 years by the great precipitator Patanjali in his own treatise named Vyakaran Mahabhashya. There he narrates,
समाजेषु समासेषु समवायेषु चास्यताम् इत्युक्ते नैव कृशः कृशेः सहस्ते न पाण्डवः पाण्डुभिः येषामेव
किंचिदर्थकृत मान्तरेय
तेरेव सहसते. अर्थात सामाजिके व्यवहारे भोजनार्थ निमित्ताः जनाः आकारतः प्रकारश्च भिन्नः भिन्नः भवन्ति परन्तु यदा तेषां भोजनविद्यो प्रवृत्तिः भवति तदा ते स्वकीयम्
आन्तरिकं
समानत्वं
पश्यतः परस्परं निकटास्नाः भवन्ति। आकारेण कश्चित् कृशः जनः कुशेन सह न तिष्ठति, न तु कश्चित् पीनः पीनेन सह। परन्तु येषां किश्चित् कृतम् अर्थात् प्रयोजनकृतं सादृश्यं भवति तत् सादृश्यमनुसरन्तः ते एव परस्परं निकटासनाः भवन्ति। मातुलकुलाः मातुलकुलेः सह, पितृव्याः पितृव्यैः सह, उपवेशिनः उपवेशिभिः सह
तिष्ठन्ति।
when one is told, sit in the assemblies, gatherings, and among the people having same kind of food. The thin person do not sit with the thin, nor do the whites sit with the whites. They sit with only those who have close relation of some kind with purpose. That is to say, people invited for lunch in social life are different in shape or size and types. But when they proceed for lunch, they sit close to one another, seeing their own inner resemblance. A man who is thin in shape does not sit with the other thin person, nor does a fat one sit with the other fat person, but among whom there is some sort of resemblance caused by purpose or occasion. Following that resemblance, only those sit close to one another. The members of the family of maternal uncle, the parental uncles with other parental uncles, neighbors with the other neighbors.
एवमेव
गवादीनां पशूनामपि प्रवृत्ति भवति। गावो दिवसं चरितवत्यो सायंकाले गोष्ठेषु समागस्य यो यस्याः वत्सो भवति तेन सह शेरते।
Exactly in the same way, the beasts such as cow, etc. also behave. Having grazed during the daytime, the cows gathering in the stables, in the evening sleep, each one with her calf.
गवादीनामिव अचेतनेषु अपि पदार्थेषु नियमोऽयं दृश्यते। तद्यथा
लोष्टः
क्षिप्तो बहुवेगं गत्वा निर्व्यतिव्यत गच्छति,
नोरध्वमारोहति।
सः पृथिव्याः विकारः वर्तते इति कृत्वा पृथिवीमेव आगच्छति सादृश्यतत्वात्। तथा ज्योतिषो विकारः अर्चिः आकाशदेशे निवाते सुप्रज्वलितं नैव तिर्यग गच्छति नार्वागारोहति। ज्योतिषो विकारो ज्योतिरेव गच्छन्त्यन्त्यर्यतः।
This rule is seen in the inanimate objects also like that of the beasts such as cows, etc. For example, a lump of clay when thrown having gone speedily does not go obliquely, nor does it climb upward. Being the modification of the earth, it comes back to the earth on account of its resemblance. Similarly, the flame of the fire, which is the modification of the sun, lit well in the place where there is no wind, does not go in horizontal direction, nor does it go down. Being the modification of the sun, it goes, that is, upwards, towards the sun only, due to close relation.
एवमत्र महाभाष्यकाराः मानवीय व्यवहारिकं सिद्धान्तमुपदिशन्ति।
तेन सह च गुरुत्वाकर्षणस्य
सिद्धान्तं पार्थिवाग्नेः
सूर्येण सह सम्बन्धस्य च सिद्धान्तं सूचयन्ति।
In this way, here the composer of Mahabhashya is instructing the principle of the practical human life, and along with it, he is also indicating the theory of gravitation of the earth and of the relation of fire on the earth with the sun.